So is this free streaming application still the best in 2023? So today's video, we are going to be taking a look at one of the most popular free streaming applications that's currently available. Now this app is going to have over 250 channels for free TV and thousands of on-demand movies and TV shows. So this video, we're going to go through the application, see what options are available. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is still the best free streaming application in 2023. So before we jump into it, big shout out to today's video sponsor, IPVanish. Now IPVanish has been around for a while. You guys know that this is one of the VPN services that I recommend on the Fire TV Stick and Video Shield and so on. However, we have some great news. IPVanish has released the first Apple TV premium VPN application. And this is huge because a lot of IPVanish's competitors does not have an app for an Apple TV as of yet. And this gives users streaming privacy on Apple TV by accessing a global network of over 2,200 servers. Now the app is available to current and new IPVanish customers through the Apple TV App Store. So with this, of course, you're going to get enhanced privacy and access on the Apple TV, simple location selection, and optimal location featuring. So if you guys are interested, I will be leaving a link to IPVanish in the description. But what I also want to do is follow up with a video just going over some of the new features of IPVanish. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Links will be in the description. So we are going to quickly go over the application. Then, of course, I'm going to show you how to get it. It is free from your app store and there's no sign up required, but there's an option to sign up for an account. And I'll let you know the benefits of that here in a little bit. We're in the now watching area. Basically, this is going to be your current program. Cool thing about this is that if you press the arrow down on your remote, it will actually switch to the next channel. So in essence, this is like a cable TV setup. And like I said, this is completely free. All right, so hit the OK button. It brings you back to the main menus, and you have some other option there on the left. So first, we're going to have our channel guide. Click on that. It's going to have some of the featured content up top, but when you scroll down, you're going to get into the different categories. Before we go into the categories, just know that you do have a really good looking timeline, so you can see all the way to 12:30 a.m. So that's pretty cool. And remember, guys, 100% free. But you do have different categories. So this is last watch. We're going to have featured. All right. So in featured, you can go down. You can see some of the content that's currently available. You have movies. So you have some comedy there, drama, fantastic, romance, thrillers, horror, black cinema, staff, 90s throwback, 70s cinema, westerns. So a lot of content there as well. Next category is going to be entertainment. All right, so you can see some of the content that's available, guys. You have Frasier that's currently on, Couples Therapy, Walker Texas Ranger, NCIS, Walking Dead, Beverly Hills 90210, Heartland, Baywatch. All right, a lot of content there as well. I can keep scrolling. You have CMT there. Next, you have a news and opinion. All right, so you have CBS there, CBS Miami, CNN. You have Sky, Bloomberg, Blaze. And the next category is going to be crime. So you have drama, Blue, TSI, 48 Hours, Cops, Forensic Files. Pretty cool. You have reality shows, so pick whatever your favorite is. Dog Bounty Hunter, Love and Hip Hop, Black Ink, MTV Dating, Weddings, Race, Fear Factor, Rescue 911. They also have Big Brother Live, and this is dedicated to Big Brother. So you have Big Brother Camera 1, Camera 2, Camera 3, Camera 4. You have game shows as well. Daytime TV. Comedy. And let me just go to the left. We have classic, which is another way to actually go through the different areas. Home, food, lifestyle and culture, sports, game, anime, music, Espanol, kids, local, and then it starts all over. So you can see that was a lot to actually go through, and that was just a channel guide. Next, you have your on-demand area. So click on that. All movies, TV shows, so on and so forth. So again, guys, you are going to have some featured content up top. All right. Scroll down. You're going to have your movies. All right. You can see Forrest Gump's on there. Downsizing. Anger Management. So pretty decent movies in my opinion, guys. And then you can view all in the end. Entertainment, crime, reality, game show, daytime. So these are going to be TVs and movies on demand essentially. Sports, gaming, music, Espanol Kids again. So nice selection there. Of course, they're gonna have a search area. Search area, pretty straightforward. Search for what you want. If it's there, it will pop up. You'll have the option there to watch it. You have a kids mode, and I think the way they do this is pretty cool. So if you click on that, you can see you do have the option to turn on kids mode. So what I like about the kids mode is that you do have the option to set a pin. That way, when you turn on the kids mode, the kids can't get out of it without putting in a pin. So if you want to keep that pin to yourself, you can, or if you want to share it so they can get out, you can. So I think that was a pretty cool option. So you can turn that on and off, and then you can let them have at it. And in the bottom, you're going to have your settings. All right, so you can manage your account. So let's talk about the account option. Normally, I would advise against giving information when you don't necessarily have to, but this is an application that you see yourself using for a while. You might want to consider signing up, even if it's not with your main email account, if you know what I mean. When you sign up, what this will do is allow you to log into multiple devices. So let's say I'm watching anger management on this Fire Stick. If I go downstairs, I'll have to either scrub through where I was or left off. But if I was to actually sign up for an account and I sign in on both devices, then I can actually pick up where I left off as far as what I was watching. So that's the main benefit, in my opinion. And if you watch a lot of movies on here, that might be something that's worth checking out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about signing up for accounts when you don't necessarily have to. So the application, of course, is called Pluto TV. Pluto is one of the most popular free streaming applications that's currently available. It's been around for years, all reliable, nice user interface, and a lot of people rank this as #1 on their list. However, on my list, Pluto's #2. If you want to see that full ranking from 20 all the way to 1, I will link a video on the top right where you can go ahead and check it out. But Pluto's #2 in my opinion, but there's something out there that's a little bit better. So to get Pluto, pretty straightforward, whether you're on your Apple TV, your Fire Stick, your NVIDIA Shield TV, your Chromecast or Google TV, you're gonna go to your search or go to your app store, and you're just gonna search for Pluto. Pluto TV. All right, there it is right there. If you don't have this application, go ahead and click on it. You should be able to download it, and then you can start streaming for free. If you're outside of the US, chances are this is not going to work for you. What I've heard from other users is that VPNs have a way of changing your location. That way you can watch it no matter where you are. So check the description for the VPN services that I use and recommend. So that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.